everyone, good night. Come back with me, Ida, and this is my vlog for this night. Okay, let me tell you about my story for today about my college after campus, and yeah, okay, I just finished for prayer and wow, yeah. Today I'm super tired because we just done for assignment at campus with my friend, and then we make a trend in Alphamart. Yeah, we make a trend. This one trend makes me feel nervous, guys, because I'm never make this trend before, and my friend asked me to uh yeah join this trend with them. Yeah, the first we make it's fail because it's so hard to make this trend. And then number one, I make this trend. We choose we move place like because yeah, it's make me confused to first to this one. And number three, we make it again, but it's still wrong. That's why I feel like I'm so nervous when we find maybe when we find other people to see to see our friend like making this trend, guys. Yeah, this is just we are core for today. Only making fun, yeah, because we full to stresses and yeah, guys. We waiting final exam because final exam is coming soon, guys. We never going like never making event until now, and I'm so worried about this event because we never doing this activity, like we never practice drama for today. So long tonight to not practice again. Maybe my friend is remember is forget about the text, the dialogue from the Mandalika story. That's why I feel like really worried about this drama. And we need to I don't know, we don't need, maybe we just need focus for uh, final exam, but we never practice now. And guys, we want to focus this, but we have something new again, and then like our uh, attention is not focused on one event. Guys, I'm more confused actually to pick. And after that, we going to mosque for rest and lunch, and we buy some milk and snack for, yeah, snack, yeah. And we just sleep for a minute and waiting another subject, guys. And then we come back to class, meet again, class again, and doing this subject until end with Miss Mia. The subject is Quran and Hadith. Yeah, it's so really excited to ask and answer this question. Two more questions from my friend there. We have a topic about religion because this is Quran and Hadith about religion fully. And yeah, that's why English student have a more question. Yeah, we just join for this. Oh, look at this, my acting. I'm really not like this often, guys. Oh my god. And what else? Yeah, we don't discuss about our event. Uh, but before we always discuss about event, but now it's never, never, never uh, talk about event. Maybe they really overwhelmed for mm, thinking of more, guys. I don't know, but yeah, this is I find at my campus. Yeah, my friend is feel like so weird because everyone is not asking with drama and more and go back home suddenly. No, I'm immediately going home. Never practice. Make me like lost for this event. Maybe we need to talk again. We need to discuss. We need to meeting up again, more again for this event. And I'm going to come back home, and I'm so hungry. And then I'm buying some food, and I'm eat, and then I just watching Resident Evil. Plus, I miss my Resident Evil. Yeah, I'm so busy. I can't wait watching my Resident Evil. Cause yeah, last week we go to doing something, so many activity, and our holiday is gone because we still doing something from campus, guys, and makes me like feel dizzy and hurt. My body going hurt. Yeah, they give our team like this. Some people have 100 rupiah. 100 rupiah for one people to going this as work homework. I'm so tired of yapping, guys, but this is my story for today until this is my story last week until now. My mom make a meatball. I just wanna try now, but yeah, I never tried now. I really wanted to try. Maybe after I'm making my assignment, guys, I will try my mom meatball. Yeah, homemade, guys. If you wanna buy here at my house, just going in Masbagi village. I mean at Masbagi village, you can go in here. Don't forget to buy meatball at my house here if you want. Cause Indonesian have a so delicious food. It's not food like other countries. Very different taste. You can taste like yeah, you can taste so more spicy or not spicy food here. Cause I know you choose not spicy. I mean like so many people can eat spicy food. Maybe so far I just find people can't uh, eating spicy food. That's why I just ask you to just try um, natural taste here. It's like nasi goreng or fried rice. Here, guys, here. I don't want. Yeah, I can't spill for you because I'm not going to my second house. This is my first house, so I can't spill for you the meatball from my mom. So tired of yapping. I don't know how to say again. Maybe about this vlog. Yeah, guys, if you ask again about this vlog, my vlog is still I don't have. I'm not edit for this vlog. Just natural, just original video here. We never edit. Editing is make me feel like fool, cause it's not. Maybe if you don't really understand, you can more learn. Yeah, for doing editing. I think I'm full for sleepy again because I just finished for take a bath and prior here. Okay, I just wearing mukana here because I just finished for prior. My mouth is like very can't to speak again. I'm more sleepy here. Cause yeah, I'm still making vlog until now. It's make me feel like so really weakness and no, I mean like weak and I'm more sleepy. Cause yeah, I still speak every day, every second, every minute. That's why I make my energy is so fast to low, guys. Yeah, and then I just want to close this video because my time is over. So thank you for you guys and next see you next video again. Bye 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 bye.